Hey, Big Cheese, this is Head Honcho. Go ahead and deliver the bike 1018.
Is that it coming down the road?
All right, Robert, here it is.
Unbelievable.
A brand new limited edition Indian Chieftain Jack Daniels edition motorcycle, and it's all yours.
Unbelievable, guys. I'd never imagined.
Looking back just a couple months, did you think you'd be standing here today?
Oh, heck no. No, I had no idea. No idea buying your products would end up with something like this.
Well, on behalf of Minimizer, congratulations.
I can't say thank you enough.
Thank you.
Oh, Lord. Well, I'll be noticed wherever I go, that's for sure.
That's for sure.
Never felt one like this. And I've been on a lot of bikes. I got two of my own already, but they don't hold nothing to this.
Start her up.
I am so happy.
It is cool, isn't it?
Yes, it is. There's no comparison. There's no comparison. Almost want to give up truck driving. Almost.